Hi, my name's Tom. I'm here to show you a really cool pair of shoes from Dream Pairs. These are the Cloud Slipper Sandals slip-on, kind of walk around the house. These are a completely rubbery shoe, but it's kind of a different rubber than you're used to. It actually has kind of a squish to it, kind of a comfort factor. They are basically all rubber slippers, slip-on slippers that kind of show your toes there. You can see. They are super comfortable. My wife loves these. It's very rare that I had to do this, but I actually had her try these on, and then she just walked away with them. And she's been wearing them for the last week or so around the house, just kind of testing them out and really liking them. These are her new favorite pairs of slippers. Just so you know, Dream Pairs makes a lot of nice shoes for women. These are no exception. They are just as nice. They are very comfortable. They are true to size, but you can kind of see. Now, these particular ones actually come in a couple different colors, obviously different sizes as well. You can see the inside there, the sole there on the inside. It's nice and kind of bumpy and smooth. It doesn't hurt your feet. It's actually soft and squishy. They are very flexible as well. This is a little bit stretchy as well. You can kind of stretch that out a bit if you want to just shove your foot in there. Depends on how far you want to slip in. Your feet do slide in and out of them. They are made to be 100% waterproof, so they're perfect for around a pool or beach, or in the shower, bath, whatever you want to wear or wear these things. They are meant for that. You can see the soles of these shoes themselves have kind of these ridges here. That's just kind of a nice comfort factor as well. So you have bumps all around it, texture all around it. Again, they are just one solid piece of rubber, so they're going to be durable. They're going to last a good long time. There's nothing to break, nothing to fall apart, no stitching. It's just a molded piece of cloud, like a rubbery cloud. They're just kind of soft. They are somewhat supportive. They're not squishy, but they're soft enough that you can feel it. It's hard to show you the squish factor there, but there is more of a squish factor than in some of the other more dressier shoes. Sometimes they have a slight little padding and they're kind of hard. These are much more of a squish factor. They are a casual, comfortable, kind of open-toed sandal shoe sort of a thing. So if you're just looking for some nice casual slippers to kind of hang on the water, slip on, slip off, maybe around the pool, maybe go to the beach, maybe for a little vacation stuff, even in the spa, these are the ones to get. They are very comfortable. They're durable. They're all one piece. They look great. They come in different colors. They're just highly recommended.